Today we're looking at part number KC-21-88. This is your oil cap and or grease cap for your 9K, 10K trailer axles. For the Carter axles, the Dexter axles, and Lippert axles. This is what you need right here. This will interchange with all of Dexter's parts and Lippert's, as long as it's a 9K or 10K, the new style. So this one is 3.43, and the older style has the 4-inch. So just pay attention to that. But mostly what you're going to see now on especially newer trailers, well, definitely on newer trailers, anything before or after 2013 are these right here. If it's a Dexter or Carter axle. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thanks.